The voice of the people, the voice of truth. You're listening to GZRP 98.9 Philippine Radio, the voice of the people, the voice of truth.
Broadcasting live from the heart of the Philippines.
Bringing you the stories that matter and education. We serve you every day. GZRP 98.9 Philippine Radio, the voice of the people, the voice of truth.
The suspect is currently facing 5 counts of statutory and qualified assault under applicable laws. Andres Bastino, required in life.
GGCRP 1949.
All given according to its silence. I just required to obey Ghana, to wait rapid growing on tyrant crisis. Stay tuned for more details. Our live reporters return.
GGCRP 1949. Still hiding your underarms? Don't sweat it. Try the all-new Fresh Glow Underarm Mix. Packed with skill-like ingredients to help whiten dark spots and keep you dry all day long. No sticky feeling, no harsh chemicals. Just smooth, fresh, and confident skin you can show off. Be bold, be proud with Fresh Glow. GGCRP 1949. Time check 2:15 p.m. This time brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
And we are back. All given according to its silence. I just required to obey Ghana, to wait rapid growing on tyrant crisis. Please see season of the report.
All three of the leading crazy states one of Israel's solar authorities to enter the Gaza Strip. Holding the situation in Palestine is more worrying and saddening.
I renew my appeal to allow for the entry of very retarded men and to bring to an end the hostilities. The high price of which is paid by the children, the elderly, and the sick.
The whole sanctuary is in our holdings in Sanctuary Square. The whole field of in our holdings since being elected 2 weeks ago. As the last man on Wednesday, raises his own report to life. GGCRP 1949. Crystal Fulgar opens up. Proud of Virgin Bride and shares her journey to marriage. The Jana Julie Sanoria has the report. GGCRP 1949. For our showcase, Crystal Fulgar, a proud Virgin Bride. This was fulfilled by content creator and actress Crystal Fulgar. During an interview with TV Walls Studio Gonzaga on YouTube last May 18, 2025. According to Fulgar, this was a her way she made to herself, to remain pure as a woman until she finds the man she was married. Actually, I'm proud of it because it is not easy. Crystal said, and she added, I wanted to reserve myself completely for him, for my future husband. Crystal also shared that she experienced her first kiss during their engagement on February 28. It can be recalled that the 30-year-old content creator married her 40-year-old Korean fiancé, Han Soo-yoon. Let's make them in Seoul, South Korea. From the fans that are breaking news, I got you. Jonathan Sanoria reporting live. GGCRP 1949. And that concludes today's coverage. Field reports delivered by Jonathan Sanoria, Julie Grace Costino, and Richie Soy.